So in a three-phase four-wire system, the current in R, Y, and B lines under normal condition, under abnormal condition, under abnormal condition. Okay, so under abnormal condition means when fault is produced in the particular line. Okay, abnormal condition means when fault is produced in that particular three-phase system. Okay, so loading, abnormal conditions are loading as, abnormal condition are loading as means faulty current flowing through that particular three phases or three lines, that is what R, Y, B respectively. Okay, so here IR is equal to 100 ampere at an angle of 30 degree, at an angle of 30 degree with reference to the reference line, with reference to the reference phase. Okay, so next IY is equal to 50 ampere, magnitude 50 ampere at an angle of 300 degree, and IB is equal to 30 ampere at an angle of 180 degree ampere, 180 degree. Calculate the positive sequence, calculate the positive sequence, negative and zero sequence, positive sequence, negative sequence and zero sequence current in the R line, and return current in the neutral wire, and return current in the neutral wire. Are you getting this numerical? So first of all, in such condition we have to just understand the numerical, what is the concept behind this particular numerical. Okay, okay, so what quantities, what quantities are given, okay, or how many quantities are given and what we have to find out. आपल्याला काय फाइंड करायचं ते समजलं पाहिजे. Okay, what we have to find, that is very important one. Okay, then and then we will going to solve this particular numerical. Okay, so what are the quantities are given and what kind of parameters have to be find out. Okay, so these are the very important. Okay, once again I am going to read this particular numerical. So in a three phase four wire system, the current R line, Y line and B line operated under abnormal condition, operated under abnormal condition. Okay, R as, that means this particular three phase line are operated, this particular three phase line are operated in abnormal conditions. Okay, suppose I am considering here star network. Okay, here whether a three phase line is a star or network, it is not given. Three phase line, whether it may be a star or delta, it is not given. Okay, so in this particular case we have to assume that particular things. Okay, so in this case we are assuming this is what the star network. So here R phase, R, Y, B, R, Y and B line, R line, Y line and B line. Okay, so here R, Y and B. Okay, so here IR current flowing through R line, and it is given at now faulty condition. Okay, at faulty condition, so 100 ampere at an angle of 30 degree, 100 ampere at an angle of 30 degree ampere. Okay, so next IY is equal to 50 ampere magnitude or the value of current, 50 ampere magnitude or the value of current, 50 at an angle of 300 degree, at an angle of 300 degree ampere. Next IB is equal to 30 ampere at an angle of 120 degree, 30 ampere at an angle of 120 degree ampere. Okay, and here what the neutral. Okay, and fault is produced. Okay, so out of this line, out of this three lines, so suppose consider here fault is produced. Okay. So here what this IR is different. IR value is different from this IY. Both line current is different from this IB also. ठीक है ना? That means asymmetrical current. Okay, or unbalanced current, asymmetrical current flowing through this particular system. Okay. So we have to convert these asymmetrical quantities. These are symmetrical quantities. These asymmetrical quantities in symmetrical form. That is what the calculate the positive sequence, negative sequence, and zero sequence. Calculate positive sequence, negative sequence, and zero sequence current in R line. Okay, we have to calculate only symmetrical component at only the R phase. Symmetrical component at only the R phase. Okay. So are you getting this particular? What kind of numerical is here given? Yes, all of you. Have you understood? Hello. Hello. Yes, roll number 21. Roll number 11. Have you got this numerical? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next. So next, for solving this type of numerical, we have to memorize, or we have to just what identify here expression of expression of positive sequence, negative sequence, and zero sequence of R phase, positive sequence, negative sequence, zero sequence of Y phase, and respectively of B phase. Okay, that we have to memorize, or that we have to identify. Okay, so here solution. So first, zero sequence. Okay, what are the zero sequence component? That is what the I0. Okay, so here I0 is equal to 1 divided by, already we have derived this kind of numeric, this kind of expression. Already we have derived. Okay, so here 1 divided by 3 in bracket IR plus IY plus IB. Okay, so these are the positive sequence, sorry, zero sequence. Zero sequence current. I0 is equal to 1 upon 3 in bracket IR plus IY plus IB. Okay, so here I0 is equal to, substitute the value of IR, IY, IB. Okay, so here 1 divided by 3 kept as it is. Now put the value of IR. What is IR? IR is equal to at an angle of 30 degree. IB current 50 at an angle of 300 degree. And next IB 30 at an angle of 180 degree ampere. These are the ampere. These are the in ampere. Okay. So here substitute the value. This is in what? Polar form. So 100 at an angle of 30 degree plus 50 at an angle of 300 degree plus 30 at an angle of 180. Okay. So these are the IR value. Next, these are the IY value, and these are the IB value. IR, IB, IY. So convert this quantity, convert this polar form into rectangular form. Convert this polar form into rectangular form. So all of you having calci? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So get the conversion. Get the conversion. How to go polar into rectangular? Rec in your calci, rec is there, है ना? Rec button. So rec in bracket 100, 30. Rec in bracket 100, 30. And press the enter. Yes, what will be the I0 after conversion from polar to rectangular? I0 is equal to, yes, all of you do this particular conversion. Hello? Yes, tell me. Roll number 23. Roll number 41. Hello? Roll number 7. Roll number 46. Yes.
86.60.
86.60. 86.60. So 86.60. 86.60 plus J50. 86.60 plus J50. Plus next.
सर जे कसं बघायचं?
जे कसं बघायचं? RCL असतं ना, RCL. Recall button.
RCL tan ना sir.
RCL tan. आलं का रे? Okay, why we convert this polar into rectangular? Yes, tell me. Why we convert this polar into rectangular?
पोलर मध्ये ऍडिशन होत नाही सर, ते
Very
रेक्टँगुलर
good
मध्ये
answer.
ऍडिशन होते.
पोलार मध्ये addition होत नाही. Polar मध्ये multiplication and division. In polar, so this polar form is used for multiplication and division. No, sorry, only division. ठीक है ना? And in this particular rectangular case, addition, multiplication, and subtraction. Addition, multiplication, and subtraction. So that's why we have to use here rectangular form. So 86.60 plus J50. Next, get the conversion 50 ampere at an angle of 300 degree. Yes, all of you have to be calculate this value. इथं दिसते तुम्हाला, इथं सर इथं कॅल्क्युलेट आहे, मग आम्ही कशाला करायचं असं नको विचार करायला. अलग लक्ष तुमच्या. You have to just do it. Whenever you are doing na, you don't forget how to calculate and how to doing such kind of numericals. जर तुम्ही बघता, ते म्हणतात ना की बघितलं तर विसरतो, ऐकलं तर विसरतो, पण स्वतः केलं तर कधी विसरत नाही. त्यासाठी स्वतः केलं पाहिजे, हा नियम आहे. मी बघितलं मी विसरलो, मी ऐकलं मी विसरलो, पण मी स्वतः केलं तर मी कधीच नाही विसरलो. असं बरोबर का ऋषिकेश? हॅलो 46, रोल नंबर 46 शिवचरण. हॅलो.
येस सर.
काही लोकांना वाटत असेल की सर नंतर करतो, नंतर होत नाही बरं. कधी नंतर म्हटलं की संपला मग विषय, काहीच होत नाही. त्यासाठी जे काय आहे ते आत्ताच्या आत्ताच, अभी के अभीच, जो कुछ है वो अभी के अभीच, आत्ताच्या आत्ताच. आत्ता करा, नाही तर कधीच नाही. मग त्यासाठी स्वतः करा, कॅल्सी बघा, शोधा, कुठं ठेवलं ते कॅल्सी घ्या. ठीक आहे, आळस नका करू. फक्त ऐकायचं नाहीये लेक्चर, हे आपल्याला करायचं. We have to do this all the calculations and all the positive sequence current, memorize to positive sequence current, negative sequence current, and all the zero sequence current with respect to R phase, Y phase, and R phase, Y phase, and B phase. हे लक्षात असलं पाहिजे आपल्या. जेव्हा आपण करतो तेव्हाच लक्षात येतं सगळ्या गोष्टी. So next, after getting the conversion from polar to rectangular of 50 ampere at an angle of 300 degree, so in bracket here 25.
हॅलो सर.
yes
सर ते अँगल कसं, जे कसं बघायचं म्हणलं तुम्ही?
ते RCL टॅन टाळायचं. RCL बटन आहे का, रिकॉल बटन?
RCL
हे असं करा रे, इथे लक्षात घ्या. रेक इन ब्रॅकेट 100, 30, प्रेस एंटर. तिथं काहीतरी येणार, असं येणार काय, कॅल्सीवर है ना. इन युअर कॅल्सी दॅट विल बी रिफ्लेक्टेड ॲज ए 86.60. ओके. आफ्टर दॅट प्रेस RCL. काय दाबायचं त्याच्या पुढे, काय बटन हे करावं लागेल आपल्याला? RCL च्या नंतर नेक्स्ट. हॅलो, त्याच्यानंतर नेक्स्ट टॅन. श्रेयस आलं का रे?
आलं.
किती आहे? 50 आलं. 50 असेल है ना?
येस सर.
50. So rectangular form is what? Here it is what it is same as just a complex number, x plus iy. ठीक है ना? So it is what the x plus, so instead of taking I, we are taking here j as a operator, j. ठीक है ना? I is equal to under root of -1. Likewise j is equal to under root of -1, and here next component. So these are the imaginary part and these are the real part, है ना? These are the real part, है ना? Just like resistance, है ना? Actually here z is equal to r plus jxl. R plus jxl. These are the real part, resistive part, and these are the reactive part, imaginary part. Here जो next part will be the imaginary part, and first part is the real part. It is actually real component. It is imaginary component. That's why we operate this as a j. So imaginary component, we don't know the actual value, है ना? Of -1. That's why we are considering this operator. J is equal to under root of -1. ठीक है? So after getting the conversion of 50 ampere at an angle of 300, so we get here 25 minus J43.3 bracket close plus now conversion of 30 ampere at an angle of 180 degree. 30 ampere at an angle of 180 degree. So in bracket minus 30 plus J0 minus 30 plus J0 plus J0. So next I0 is equal to so add the similar components, add the similar element. ठीक है ना? That means real element and real element. So 86.60 plus 25 minus 30 plus plus ether plus in bracket. So now next addition of all imaginary part. J50 minus J43.3 plus J0. So next I0 is equal to so get me the value of this bracket. Yes, get me the value of this bracket.
81.6.
Very good. 81.6 plus now next bracket J50 minus J43 plus J0. So J0 becomes 0. So here how many J? 50 minus 43. 50 minus 43. किती रे?
1.23.
Point. Hello.
6.7.
6.7.
Very good. J 6.7. So this is the current. And here 1/3. So here 1/3. Actually here 1/3. Here also 1/3. है ना? 1/3. Next I0 is equal to now calculate this. हे calculate करा था, करता येईल का? सांगा मला काय येणार आहे पुढे. Hello.
$27.2. 7.2.
27.2. Okay. Yes, all of you got this answer?
Yes, sir. 27.2.
Very good. So 27.2 plus J 2.23. 2.23. Now again calculate this rectangular into polar. polar stand for pole, rectangular stand for rack, rack into pole is equal to, yes, calculate this. I0 in bracket pole in bracket 27.2 plus 27.2 comma 2.23. So get me the value of I0 in the polar form. So check out this particular.
27.29.
Very good. 27.29
At an angle 4.68.
at an angle of 4.68 degree ampere. This is what the I0 current, and it is similar to this particular given value. ठीक है ना? Now calculate the same. Calculate the I1. I1 is a what? Positive sequence current. I1 is equal to positive sequence current. So I1 what is the expression of basic expression of I1? That is I1 bar is equal to 1/3. This expression we have calculated in yesterday's lecture. Yesterday's means the day before yesterday. ठीक है ना? IR plus A, these are the multiplying operator. A into IY plus A square into IB. A square into IB. So calculate this value. IR. How to get the A? Yes, what is the value of A? Hello? A कशी घ्यायची? Already we have calculated this A value. So these are the A value. Yes, all of you get this?
Yes, sir.
ते इथं ऑलरेडी आपण कॅल्क्युलेट केलेली आहे. And A square also.